So let's get started and just find a comfortable seated position. So remember, you could be seated like I am, but you could also be sitting up against a wall. You could even lie down. Generally, we don't lie down just because we tend to fall asleep. But just find anything comfortable, okay? All right. And before you even close your eyes, I want you to take a deep breath in, but let this be a very conscious breath. So as you breathe in, feel the coolness come in through your nose. And then as you exhale, just notice the change of temperature as you breathe out. And do that another time. Deep breath in and a full breath out. And now I want you to just start to notice any sounds in your space. It could be the sound of your breath. It could be a clock in the distance. And just notice the sound as just that, just a sound, without attaching to it or attaching meaning to it. And then notice any smells, the taste in your mouth, and just start to notice your senses. Again, without attaching to anything. Notice any pictures or images in your mind's eye. And then allow the eyelids to close. And take a deep cleansing inhale. At the top of the inhale, I invite you to just pause for a moment. Open the mouth and breathe out. We're going to breathe in again through the nose. Pause at the top of the inhale. And see if you can stretch your exhale just a little bit longer. Now on the next round, breathe in through the nose. We're going to pause. We'll breathe out through the nose. So inhale. And exhale. And now I want you to just continue this breath, breathing in, pausing at the top, and breathing out. So many years ago, I went to this amazing, I believe she was a psychotherapist, and she taught me this great visualization. This was way before my yoga days, about a white light and the healing power of visualizing a white light around yourself, around loved ones, and around anything you want to protect. So I want you to stay with the breath in this same manner, just breathing in, pausing, and breathing out. But as you breathe in, I want you to visualize this beautiful, strong white light through the base of your spine. That's where your roots are. And as you breathe in, just visualize that white light entering through you. And remember, this white light has all of the power it needs to wash over any worries, any fears, to keep you safe and protected. And then when you breathe out, I want you to literally imagine and visualize this white light pouring out through the crown of your head, surrounding your entire being. And try to stay with that for the next few moments. So we breathe in, visualizing this beautiful white light entering through you, cleansing your internal body, your soul, your spirit, and then rising up and all around you. And even if it's hard for you to buy into it in the beginning, just keep doing it. Again, white light rising and washing all around you. And now, for the next moment, stay with this very calm, even breath. I want you to now visualize someone in your life who needs healing. It could be a family member, a friend, a stranger, any loved one. And I want you to bring them into your mind's eye, and as you breathe in, just visualize that white light entering through them. And as you exhale, intentionally cover them and wash that white light all around them. So that as you keep breathing in and breathing out, eventually this white light is encircling the entire person. Again, breathing in, strong white light, and breathing out, just washing all around them, and then entering the bottom. If your mind starts to wander or disconnect, that's okay. You just bring it back to the breath. Remind yourself, I'm breathing in, I'm breathing out. Remembering that when you're fully present, we can't be stressed. We can't be fearful and anxious. We're fully present. And the past is where we bring fear, and the future is where we bring anxiety. So the present is a pretty cool place to stay. So we're going to take one more deep breath in, wash that white light over maybe that person, maybe the universe. And then let's bring our hands together at our heart center. Bow your chin, connecting to this place within yourself that wants to be better, stronger, show up more positive and connected. And when we begin our day this way with such a positive, strong intention, we bring that into the rest of our day. We start attracting only that energy into our life. So I thank all of you so much for joining me, for being a part of our little meditation crew. And I wish you all the best day ever. May we be healthy. May we be happy. And together, may we all find peace. Namaste. Thanks everyone so much.